In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom emoji in Slack. It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your communications and make your workspace more engaging. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to slack.com and of course make sure you're logged into your workspace. If you're not already in your desired workspace, switch to it by selecting it from the list if you're part of multiple teams. Once you're in your workspace, look out for the emoji icon. It's usually located at the bottom of the message input box, often appearing as a smiley face. This is a gateway to a whole world of expressive emojis that can spice up your conversations. Now, click on this emoji icon. When you do that, a pop-up window displaying the extensive library of Slack emojis will appear. It's here that you can see all the usual emojis, but our goal today is to go beyond them and add a custom one. So let's move on to the next part. Within this emoji selection interface, look towards the bottom, and you should find the option labeled Add Emoji. Clicking here takes you to another window that specifically handles the customization of your emoji collection. It's a straightforward and intuitive process. With this step completed, the next screen you'll encounter is the upload interface. This is where the magic really happens. Click on Upload Image. Make sure that the image you plan to use is ready on your computer. Keep in mind, Slack recommends your images be less than 1 kilobytes in size, and preferably in PNG format for the best clarity and performance. Once you've uploaded your image, it's time to name your new emoji. This is the highlight of our process, quite literally. Type in a simple, descriptive name that starts with a colon and contains no spaces. This is important, as this name will be used to invoke your emoji in the future. Now, you've got your image uploaded and named. There's just one more thing left to do. Saving your hard work, look for the Save button and give it a click. This action finalizes your new emoji's addition to your workspace. The saving process usually takes a moment or two, depending on your internet speed. But once it's all said and done, your custom emoji is ready for use. Congratulations, you've now added a personal touch to your Slack workspace in the form of a custom emoji. Feel free to use it to bring more life and personality to your team conversations. It's perfectly fine to go through these steps again to add even more emojis, letting your creativity run wild. Thanks for watching, and happy emojiing.